Hey, what up, family and friend? This is your boy Mono. Today video is gonna be different. I'm about to try to fix my PS4. It's messing up on me. Every time I turn it on, it turned back off. I don't know why. Maybe because it have a lot of dust inside. I already cleaned the sides, both sides and the back, but I'm thinking there's dust inside of the PS4. So what I'm gonna do is open up the PS4 and take all the dust out. Look, I'm gonna turn it on. It do one beep, but it's not turning back on. So you have to do it 2 times. That's weird. You see? And right now it's gonna turn off because I'm thinking that inside the fan is stuck or something. Oh, I don't know, man. I'm not a mechanic on the PS4, but I'm about to be right now. Something is going on. You see, it turned off. So what I'm gonna do right now is unplug it, take it to the table, and I'm gonna take it apart. Hopefully, I don't break it. Cause if I do break it, I'm gonna cry, you know. Cause this is my baby. Sponsored by Sony. All right, man. Here we go. So what you wanna do first is get the right tools. These are the tools that I got over here. Let me fix my camera. Okay, so what you want to do first is take this off right here. Okay. So what you gotta do is pop it open that way to the left. Pop it open to the left. Okay. There. You pop this bad boy open. And look at this, man. It's full with dust. You want to make sure that this thing is there's no dust over here, because when the PS4 breathes, the air go from here and it go up. As you can see, it's super dusty from the inside. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this shit right here. So what we have over here is a little screw. This is where the tool come in handy. Cause we're trying to take this off. And to take this piece off, you have to take this screw off and this screw. It's just 2 screws. So you take this one. Hopefully I have the right tool, because if I don't, that'll be pretty sucky. And it look like I'm not gonna have the right tools. And that sucks. Nope, I do not have the right tools. The right little thingamajigger. What does it look like that for? As you can see, I don't have the right tools, but I'm getting it done, you know. I don't have that little thing that attaches, so I'm using this thing right here, you know. So what you want to do next is take this part off. Let me see. It look. Oh look, you have two right here. Two screws. You see? Don't forget those two. First, the top ones, because we're taking off the top, not the bottom.
So at this point, I couldn't take off the top one, so I decided to take the bottom one off.
Imagine I break this shit, and then I really be crying. Probably use a knife to pop it open. Okay, now it's pop open. What we're gonna see inside, it's a lot of dust. Look at this. This is the reason why my PS4 it was turning off and turning back on. As you can see, it's a lot of dust. So what you want to do is blow it, or if you have the air dust, it'd be better, but I do not have the air dust. As you can see, it is super dusty inside. So what you want to do is get this clean, you know. So what I'm gonna do, I'm about to take it to my garage, and I'm gonna do it with the air compressor. So I'll be back with the clean PlayStation. It's getting on my nerves. So what I did right now is took this piece off this shit. It was right here. So what I'm gonna do is take it outside, like I was saying, and I'm about to blow some air and take all the dust out of here. Hopefully that fixes my problem. And keep in mind, I'm using the wrong tools. I'm using this knife, I'm using this. I don't have the right tools, but hey, I gotta fix my PS4, right? I'm not gonna take it to some guy so they can charge me like 150 so they can do the same thing I'm gonna do right now. And this thing is getting on my nerves for real. Look at all this dust that was stuck in the middle.
Right now. All right, we got
So
24 minutes.
I already
Let's
put the
rinse her down,
PS2
starting
back
now.
and it's working good.
Subscribe, help us
Look
get
at my
to 10
cat.
million.
It's working good. As you can see, you know, I didn't have the right tools, but I fixed it. Thank you for seeing my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, like the video. Alright, chillin' with Mona. Peace out.